Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how can you log out your Valorant account. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open Valorant website. After reaching the website, you just have to tap on sign in. In terms to sign in, you just have to write your password and press the arrow down below. After signing into your account, the next step is to tap on my accounts and you can see these following options. After opening your settings, you have to scroll down and you will find the option of login management. Here you will find the option of logout everywhere. Tap on that and your login will be successfully succeeded. You cannot delete or deactivate your Valorant account because the options are not yet available. This is how you can log out your Valorant account. I hope this video will help you a lot in any way and you like this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. By following these steps, you can log out to your Valorant account.